Welcome back children, Priya Miss is here. Children, you all know that it's a rainy season. We get cough and cold during this season. So, take care of your health and listen the instructions about your health given by your parents. It is good for you. Children, we get water from many sources. Rain is the main source of the water. Today, we are going to understand the poem Where Am I? Let's see the objectives. To read and comprehend a poem. This poem is about enjoying in a water park slide. We use water for many purposes. So, let's see one very interesting use of water has shown in this poem. If you have gone to the water park, then your old memories will be refreshed through this poem. Now, listen. I am reciting a poem. Off to Fantasyland we go, great treasures it will show. We are almost there, Daddy, see. Hooray! Hooray! I shout with glee. As we enter the water park, Daddy wants for a watery walk. The slides are huge and ends in a flash. All of them make you go splash. Climb the stairs to the top, waiting to slide on the drops. With my eyes open wide and hands away from the side, swirling with water through the slide, twisting and turning to have a great ride. As I splash into the pool, I yell out, Dad, you are so cool. Children, this poem is written by Agnes Joseph. There are some new words in this poem. Let's know the meanings of these words. First word is Fantasy. Fantasy means imagination or enjoyment. A fantasy is something you imagine which might involve dragons, unicorns, etc. Second word is treasure. Treasure means valuable. Third one is glee means happiness. Fourth one is warn means instruction. Fifth one is flash means light up or shine. Sixth one is splash means a sound made by something falling into water. Seventh one is swirl means move in a twisting pattern. Eighth one is yell means shout loudly. Now observe this picture. We can see here a slide in which a child is enjoying a water slide. Off to fantasy land we go, great treasures it will show. We are almost there, Daddy see. Hooray! Hooray! I shout with glee. Children, it means the child in the story saying her daddy is taking her to the fantasy land and it will show them great treasure. Fantasy means imagination or enjoyment. Great treasure means precious. For the small children like you, nothing is precious or valuable than enjoyment. The child also going to the fantasy land, it's like a getting great treasure. And the child is telling, see daddy, we are almost there. The child and her daddy reached to the fantasy land, or we can say water park. So the child is very happy and shouted, hooray, hooray. Children, just remember those days when you all were coming to the school. Whenever teacher told about the holiday, the way you all shout, hooray, hooray. In the same way, the child in the poem shouted with glee. Glee means happiness. As we entered the water park, Daddy warns of a watery walk. The slides are huge and ends in a flash. All of them make you go splash. Now, here the child is saying, as soon as they entered in the water park, her daddy gave instructions about walking on water. You all too have experience that whenever you go along with your parents or elders, you get some warnings or instructions. For example, place slides carefully, do not run, look front and walk carefully, don't leave my hand, climb neatly, etc. In the same way, this child is getting some instructions from her daddy. Your elders and parents give you these kind of instructions because they care about you. They love you so much. They just want you to be safe. The child is saying, there are very big slides and ends in a flash. Flash means light up. The child is saying, as soon as you fall in the water, water flies up. These slides run into a swimming pool. Slider traveled down the slide very quickly and fell with the splash into water. Splash means a sound made by something falling into water. Climb the stairs to the top, waiting to slide on the drops. With my eyes open wide and hands away from the side. Here, the child is saying, for enjoying the water slide, we need to climb the stairs to top and then get ready to slide on the water. She is telling, while sliding on the water slide, she kept eyes open and hands away from the slide. You can see in this picture, she has folded her hand, swirling with water through the slide, twisting and turning to have a great ride. As I splash into the pool, I yell out, Dad, you are so cool. Here, the child is telling, when she started sliding, it was taking her through twisting and turning with the water. So, it was a great ride for her. Swirl means move in a twisting pattern. When the child travels down the slide through twisting and turning, she splashed into the pool and yelled, Dad, you are so cool. Yell means shout loudly. The child shouted loudly and said, Dad, you are so cool. Because the child is very happy. As her father took her to a water park. Children, in this poem, water is used for sliding. In this poem, child was talking about a water park. Let's see the rhyming words which are used in this poem. Go, show. See, glee, pull, cool, flash, splash, top, drop, wide, side, slide, ride. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you. Take care.